Hi everyone, it's Marieta, founder of ImmigrationBiz. In this video, I want to show you how you can actually get the confirmation number in case you lost it, because as you know, if you have submitted the entry for DV Visa Lottery 2023, the entrance status check will be open starting at noon on May 7, 2022, as you can read here. And you will be able to check if you are selected or not. Now, in order for you to check if you are selected, you need to have that confirmation number. Here you can read it. DV 2023 entrants should keep their confirmation number, because this is the only way how you will be able to check if you're selected or not. So if you lost the confirmation number, I'm going to show you how you can get it. So wait till May 7, 2022. And then, obviously, if you don't have the confirmation number right now, you can watch this video and prepare for it. But basically, the only way for you to check DV Visa Lottery 2023 results will be after May 7th, right? Because right now you cannot check. When you open this site right now and you basically type that confirmation number from DV Visa Lottery 2023, the system will not recognize it because it's not yet open. You cannot, as of now, before May 7th, check if you are selected or not. You have to wait till May 7th. However, if you lost the confirmation number, it's very simple. You're going to open this site and then you're going to click Forgot Confirmation Number. And here you're going to see also second option, which is going to be 2023. Obviously, right now when I'm making this video, you are not able to see it because it's not yet open. You can only do it for year 2022, right? But if you want to do it for 2023, which was that lottery that you submitted last year, you need to wait till May 7th, 2022. And then you will be able to see here the button 2023. So then you're going to click that button 2023 and you're going to simply provide this information: last name, first name, middle name, if you have one, month, day, year, day of birth, and email address. Now here, very important, you have to use the email address that you have used and submitted when you registered, okay? You do not need to actually use different email address because then the system will not recognize it. Again, you make sure you want to use the same email address that you have used for electronic diversity visa entry form. And then simply just put the authentication code, and this is how you're going to receive the confirmation number to your email. So everybody, good luck and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Talk to you soon.